Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 76 C30 1-ton camper special. Runs good. We just did some air work on it, so you can hear the fan working. The old AM radio don't work. Horn works. And the wipers work. Blinkers. I think they work. The indicator must not, but we'll leave that on just so you can see. You see oil pressure, got good oil pressure. Now there you can tell your blinker works because your voltmeter is moving. Fuel gauge works. So I think radio is about, and that indicator is about it. Yeah, dome light works. So. Runs nice. Down there your blinker does work, just the indicator does. You know, 1 ton, it's got the hydro boost for the power steering and the brakes. Check the tail lights here. Yep, they work. Blinker. So everything works except for the radio. So pretty nice old truck, one family owned truck out of Washington, Oregon area. So pretty cool out of the Northwest. And pretty clean old pickup. 605-695-7399.